This video will show you how to access the settings menu using a 01 dial controlled Smeg oven. Within this settings menu, you can tailor the oven to your own requirements. You can activate a child lock. This will deactivate the control panel to prevent any accidental changes to the oven settings. This is particularly useful to ensure that children don't change the controls whilst the oven is in use. The keep warm function found in the settings menu is designed to maintain your food at a consistent warm temperature without cooking it further. This is particularly useful for keeping dishes warm until you're ready to serve them, ensuring that your meal stays at the perfect temperature. You can also adjust the time. For a separate video on how to do this, please click on the link in the description. Finally, you can place the oven into showroom mode. This is designed for display purposes in a retail environment. When this mode is activated, the oven's heating elements are disabled and the oven won't heat up. This allows the oven to be showcased safely without the risk of it getting hot. To enter the settings menu, firstly activate the display. Rotate the left-hand dial anti-clockwise to select the settings menu option. Once the setting option is highlighted, press the right-hand dial. You can now use this dial to scroll through the different options. Once you've found the option you want to change, press in the right-hand dial again. Rotate to switch on or off, and then press in to confirm. To exit the settings menu, turn both dials back to 12 o'clock. If you found this helpful, please like the video, and if you want to see more, please subscribe to our channel.